If I see you walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a bump, wait so much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, I'm not the girl I was or used to be.
What's up, Diana? Good morning. How's it going? You seem awfully quiet today.
My morning just started.
Oh, just waking up. Just like Nikki. Just waking up.
Girl, you gonna need some coffee to help me with these questions. I'm still half asleep right now. It's rough.
Welcome to Tuesday. Hopefully you can take some of this money away from us. 10 questions a minute on the clock. Answer them correctly in the minute. You're gonna win the money, Diana. But I need you to project your voice, okay? So we can hear your answers. All right, good luck. The game starts now.
Ready, set, go.
How many colors are on a standard stoplight?
3.
What is 50 times 4 minus 100?
10.
What's a group of stars that form a shape called?
10.
What is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah. 10.
True or false? Yosemite is part of the Bay Area.
False.
Who is alleged to have had an affair with the wife of Google's co-founder?
Element.
Which country did paella originate from?
Spain.
What's the name of Lizzo's latest album?
Pass.
What's the hardest natural substance on Earth?
10.
What is 50 times 4 minus 100?
100.
Yeah. We could have only kept going. You might have scored that money. The passes got you, though. Let's run through them. There are 3 colors on a standard stoplight. 50 times 4 minus 100 is 100. A group of stars that form a shape, that's a constellation. Cheetah, fastest animal on land. William Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Yosemite is not part of the Bay Area. That's false. Elon Musk is alleged to have had an affair with the wife of Google's. Paella originated in Spain. Lizzo's latest album is Special, and the hardest natural substance on Earth, a diamond. Alrighty, Diana. No money, but it was nice meeting you, and have a great Tuesday, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Speaking of the Big Money Minute, can we talk about the Back to School edition?
Ooh, are we gonna
This is about first. We've never done this before. Kids, we are.
It's about time. And here's the thing,
Because the kids always convince the parents to sign up for Big Money Minute. We hear that, 9 times out of 10. So we thought, well, let's play with the kiddos. We are going to give away an iPad if you can answer the 10 questions correctly. So an iPad, but just for playing,
going to start the week of the 8th. August 8th is when we're going to kick it off, but you can sign up now at 997now.com. So if you are between 10 and 17, we want to play with you, but parents, you do have to sign your children up.
And parents, if you've played before and you have not won, now is the time to sign your kids up because let's see if they can hang. It's their turn. They normally sign y'all up. Come on.
Let's go. 997now.com. That is back to school edition of Big Money Maybe. That'll kick off in a couple of weeks. When we get back, text the truth to maybe you've seen or experienced at a concert. The crazy story. We'll win outside lands tickets. We'll do it next.
Do you like the show? Big morning. We love you because we listen to you every single day, every morning. We'll
Oh, Greg, I really just got a text from my wife a few minutes ago. That said, good morning, baby. Please don't forget to order my green juices from squeeze.com today.
That's right. That's your honey-do list, right? You gotta make sure the wife is happy. She wants to be healthy. I know you both. Into your body. A great way to get healthy again. If you want to get healthy again and maybe have better sleep and lose a little weight, then get to squeeze.com. Use that promo code radio at checkout. You'll get free same-day delivery. And as always, select Benny and Greg.
Hey, this may be hard to believe, but things are getting better. They better be. Now everyone is searching for better. We've had more time to think about making our lives better. Maybe a better job at a better company, a better commuting time to get to better family. With a better online education at University of Massachusetts Global. A better university with better courses, instructors, and support. Also, you can better yourself. Better enroll now at umassglobal.edu. Formerly Brandman University.
Our aisles are bursting with berries at Whole Foods Market. Get 18-ounce organic blueberries for $5.99 each through July 26th.
Care you need and the compensation you deserve. Don't pay a dime until they win your case. Call them at 800-500-5200 or visit sweetpay.com. You deserve more internet than what you get from just your cell phone. Get Xfinity high-speed internet at home free through the Affordable Connectivity Program. That's right. Eligible customers can get Internet Essentials Plus, a $29.95 a month value free when they enroll in the Affordable Connectivity Program. Get free high-speed internet with unlimited data and a wireless gateway included. No extra cost for time. And no annual contract. And now to get this incredible deal for more streaming, more gaming, and more chatting on more devices at home. Your cell phone cannot do that. Get Xfinity high-speed internet at home through the Affordable Connectivity Program and connect to more of what you love for free. Now to see if you qualify, all you have to do, just go to xfinity.com/free. Call 1-800-XFINITY or the Xfinity store today. Restrictions do apply after program participation and is not be combined with other offers. DQ presents Picture This. Picture yourself at DQ on Thursday, July 28th for Miracle Treat Day. You roll up to order a Blizzard with your friends and family like you have so many times before. But on this day, every flavor comes with a much-needed dose of hope. For every Blizzard you buy at participating locations, $1 or more will be donated to Children's Miracle Network hospitals for your local children's hospital, making Miracle Treat Day the most satisfying way to get
Advertisement by Zimmerman Reed of 2381 Rosecrans Avenue, Suite 328, Manhattan Beach, California, 90245. Consent is not a condition of purchasing goods or services.
Attention all rideshare and food delivery drivers. If you're a current or former rideshare driver, listen closely, as you may be entitled to significant compensation. That's right, if you drove for a rideshare or food delivery service anytime in the past 3 years, you may be entitled to significant cash for unpaid wages and mileage. Text REPAY to 323232 right now to see if you qualify for compensation. That's REPAY to 32. Rideshare and food delivery services may be in violation of federal and state employment laws. If you are a rideshare or food delivery driver, part-time or full-time, anytime during the last 3 years, you may be entitled to significant compensation. Text REPAY to 323232 now to see if you qualify for compensation. Hurry, time is limited, so text the word REPAY to 323232 now. Text REPAY.
Conditions posted at textplan.us. Texting enrolls you for recurring automated text marketing messages. Message data rates may apply. Reply stop, opt out.
me with your butt on fire.
Good morning.
And welcome to Text the Truth Tuesday. We're talking the craziest thing you've seen or experienced at a concert or a festival or even a sporting event, whatever. People just don't know how to act out in public.
They really don't.
Well, after a few drinks, and then you're listening to your favorite music, you start getting crazy. I can relate. Can you? I'm past. Hit us up, 888-459-70. Listen to this text from 925. I was at a festival out of state about 5 years ago, and as always, the line for the bathroom was super long. Sure enough, I saw someone going number 2 behind a porta potty. You can go out in public. You cannot go. Maybe it was an accident. Maybe it started out.
You could have rolled the tenderloin before you tell people they can't go number 2.
I've seen somebody do it at a club. It's disgusting.
Yes, check out South of Market in the city. Well, that's San Francisco. They were out of state. I mean, it's to be expected here.
Our own rules.
Let's go over to Nicole. She's on line 7. Nicole, good morning. What is the craziest thing you've ever seen at a concert? Nicole. It is. All right, we'll see if we can get her back on the line. 802, they were at that Fish concert recently at Chase. Remember the guy fell from the balcony?
Yeah.
That's not good.
I think he passed away.
I think so. I mean, those are steep balconies at the Chase Center. It scares me.
Yeah.
Like up in those third rows and stuff, that's why I don't. If you can't get me on the floor, I'm not going. It's not a snobby issue, it's a safety issue. I never know.
I was at the Black Eyed Peas show almost 20 years ago.
Yeah, that's so famous. You love that story.
I love it. Well, I was there, and it was huge. It was like, that was one of the first viral events that were going online. That went
I feel like
crazy.
it was just downhill for her after that.
It was. Where are we going here, sir? Bubbles back here. Nicole will be there. Okay, all right, welcome back. So what is the craziest thing you've experienced at a concert? Oh my goodness. Nicole?
All right, tell us what's the craziest thing you saw at a concert.
It's not gonna work. Put her on hold. Can you recap?
Yeah, she was at a system up and down, what's their name, concert, shoreline, and she said a dude behind her was drinking a lot, got sick, and vomited.
Hearing as soon as they came out and he threw into her hair.
Got punched her in the face.
For sure. By accident, you don't get a pass for puking. No. So
Especially, you can find